So our final movement now is going to be the seated leg press. What we're going to do is basically 10 to 15 reps. The muscle stimulating in this one is going to be the quadriceps, also along with the hamstrings. His knees must be 90 degrees. The reason being is because we don't want to go too forward and too back to risk injury. His back's going to be flat on the bench. He's going to breathe in, he's going to breathe out. During the concentric phase, he's going to breathe in, and during the eccentric phase, he's going to breathe out. So controlled breathing, controlled form is going to stimulate more results and better techniques. So we'll give you a showdown of 10 to 15 reps. I'll just run you through it. As you can see, knees are 90 degrees. Right, you're going to press. First set, beautiful. Beautiful. As you can see, his hands are placed on the bar to ensure that his motion is straight, that he's got good positioning and an optimal strength. So push. Push. Well done. As you can see, he's getting a bit of traction with his quadriceps. So there's just perfect tension on it. So squeeze. Squeeze. Perfect. Let's go. Well done. Well done. Let's go. 3 more. 1. 2. 3. Perfect. So that's basically